Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a simple yet powerful food that can do wonders for your body. Yes, you heard it right. We're talking about cucumbers. Cucumber, a refreshing and hydrating vegetable, is a staple in various cuisines worldwide. Known for its high water content and numerous health benefits, it's a versatile addition to any diet. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of eating only one cucumber every day and see what happens to your body. Hey, if you're new to our channel, please consider subscribing so you won't miss out on more informative videos like this one. We're dedicated to sharing valuable health insights, so hit that subscribe button and join our community. So, let's get started. 1. Nutritional value of cucumbers. Before we dive into the benefits of eating one cucumber every day, let's first take a look at the nutritional value of cucumbers. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, which makes them an excellent food for weight loss. They are also rich in vitamins, such as vitamin K, vitamin C, and minerals like potassium, magnesium, and manganese. These nutrients play essential roles in various bodily functions, supporting bone health, immune system, and enzyme activity. 2. Helps in weight loss. As mentioned earlier, cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, making them an excellent food for weight loss. By incorporating one cucumber into your daily diet, you can add bulk to your meals without significantly increasing calorie intake. The high water content also keeps you hydrated and helps control appetite, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, the presence of dietary fiber aids in digestion and keeps the digestive system functioning optimally, promoting weight loss. 3. Improves digestion. Cucumbers are rich in fiber, both soluble and insoluble, which supports healthy digestion. The soluble fiber helps in slowing down digestion, stabilizing blood sugar levels, and promoting a feeling of fullness. On the other hand, insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, facilitating regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Consuming one cucumber every day can help maintain a healthy gut and digestive system. 4. Hydrates the body. With a water content of about 95%, cucumbers are incredibly hydrating. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, as it aids in maintaining body temperature, transporting nutrients, and eliminating waste products. Eating one cucumber daily can contribute significantly to your daily water intake, keeping your body well hydrated and supporting various bodily functions. 5. Boosts immunity. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts the immune system. This vitamin helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and diseases. Including one cucumber in your daily diet can enhance your body's defense against illnesses and support overall immunity. 6. Improves skin health. The antioxidants and silica present in cucumbers contribute to better skin health. Silica promotes collagen production, which is vital for maintaining skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of wrinkles. The high water content helps keep the skin hydrated and aids in flushing out toxins, promoting a healthy and radiant complexion. Additionally, applying cucumber slices topically can soothe skin irritations and reduce puffiness around the eyes. 7. Reduces inflammation. Cucumbers contain anti-inflammatory compounds, such as flavonoids and tannins, that help reduce inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Consuming one cucumber daily can contribute to an anti-inflammatory diet, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. 8. Lowers blood pressure. Potassium, found in cucumbers, is known to help regulate blood pressure levels. A diet rich in potassium can help counteract the negative effects of sodium, thereby promoting heart health and reducing the risk of hypertension. By including one cucumber in your daily meals, you can take a step towards maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 9. Improves eye health. Cucumbers are a good source of beta-carotene and vitamin A, both essential for eye health. Beta-carotene is converted into vitamin A in the body, which supports good vision and overall eye health. Consuming one cucumber daily can contribute to a diet that nourishes your eyes and helps prevent age-related eye diseases, such as cataracts and macular degeneration. 10. Reduces bad breath. Cucumbers contain phytochemicals that can help kill bacteria in the mouth that cause bad breath. Eating one cucumber every day can help reduce bad breath and improve oral health. Additionally, the high water content in cucumbers promotes saliva production, which also helps cleanse the mouth and prevent dry mouth, reducing the likelihood of bad breath. So, eating only one cucumber every day can do wonders for your body. From aiding in weight loss to improving skin health, cucumbers are a simple yet powerful food that can improve your overall health. So, why not add a cucumber to your daily diet and see the difference for yourself? And there you have it, the amazing benefits of eating one cucumber every day. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on our future content. We strive to bring you valuable insights into health and wellness, so make sure to stay tuned for more exciting videos. Please remember that this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. If you have any specific health concerns or medical conditions, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized guidance and treatment. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Remember to take care of your health.